Hello friends, in this video we'll learn automatic data selection in pivot table. Let's start. First, apply pivot table with available data source. Okay, now addition happens in the data. For example, and if you refresh pivot table, it won't pick data automatically. For that, here is a formula. Copy this formula, go to formulas menu, click on name manager, click on new, enter name as per your convenience and paste the formula in below and click OK and then close, and then click on pivot table, go to pivot table analyze menu, click on change data source and type the name which you entered in name manager and click OK. So you can see here automatically row number 12 has come. So if any data addition happen, so for example, just refresh pivot table, it automatically picks the data. Thank you.